To collect new survey data using the RadScout system, open the RadScout application on the tablet. Ensure that you are connected to both the GPS receiver and the meter. The status of both are visible on the bottom left side of the tablet screen. Before collecting data, a new survey file must be created. To create a file, select Log File from the File drop-down menu. The file name is pre-populated with a string that consists of the date, time, and a unique survey system ID. The user can customize the file name, although we recommend that the pre-populated default information is retained in the file name. It is common for the user to add any additional information before or after the default file name. You may also enter information such as the user, the survey unit, or general comments, although those are not required to create the file. After you click on the Create button, you are ready to begin collecting survey data. You can now start collecting gamma data or point and line features. To start and pause the gamma survey, use the Collect Pause features located in the top right corner of the tablet screen. On the bottom of the screen, you will see a total gamma records indicator, showing how many records have been recorded to the current file. Once you have finished collecting survey data, you must use the Pause feature in order to close the file. Select Close File from the File drop-down menu. Once the file has been closed, you can no longer append the file. To exit the RadScout program, select Exit at the bottom of the File drop-down menu. Please check out our other RadScout instructional videos on the ERG webpage. Any feedback or suggestions for additional RadScout videos is appreciated and can be sent to radscout@ergoffice.com.